All right, so we're gonna be spraying today. We got the larger doors in here, got the smaller ones done already. Getting some assistance from Carlos on spraying and setting up the sprayer. We got the primer, this is what we're gonna be using. Waterborne bonding primer works good on surfaces like this. Made sure everything was cleaned off. Got all the grease and dirt up off of here. Got the H2O masking on here. These are the doors we got in here at this part, but we're gonna get more in here once we get these primed up, keep them double spaced. So these are the smaller doors I was working on last week. Got these all prepped up and sprayed. Then these are the rest of the big doors. 10 right here. I think we got 4 or 5 in the booth right now. Hoping to get most of these primed up today. Hopefully all of them. Then we're gonna get some good footage too as well. Alright, so second coated this one, that one, and the one underneath. I'll come in tomorrow, second coat these 2 at the bottom and that one at the top, and then we'll just fill in this open area with the rest of them, or as many as we can on this rack by itself. There's about 6 in here, so there's, I believe, 9 left that we have to second coat, and then we'll get into the top coat, and that'll be looking like the ones that we got out here. I'll show you real quick. These ones are first and second coated, and these are the rest that we gotta put the second coat on. All these got 1 coat. 9 out here, 6 in there.